Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I'd like to introduce this vacuum food sealer machine. Now this is great for all types of foods, from fruits, vegetables, nuts, meats, dry foods, wet foods, and anything in between. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing. This is the vacuum sealer itself. It came really nicely packaged and it includes everything that you'll need to get started, including bags. When you vacuum seal fresh meals and package them away at the peak of freshness, you're not only saving money, but you're making your food last longer by having extra meals in the freezer. The box not only includes the vacuum sealer, but also includes an instruction manual, an air suction hose, a roll of vacuum sealer bags, and a spare sealing strip. This vacuum sealer is so much better than your typical cheap vacuum sealer because this has 3 different modes of sealing. You can simply seal your bags, you can use the vacuum seal effect and seal it, or use the external hose as a vacuum as well. The quality here is superb, and this is a great way to ensure that your food stays safe and preserved with this vacuum seal technology. This has 3 different functions and even has a little cutter on the top so that you can cut your vacuum seal bags. I have everything I need right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little tutorial for you guys on just how to use this vacuum sealer and show you a little bit more of its functions. The roll of vacuum seal bags that come included is one continuous roll, and you can customize the size that you would like. To make a seal, put the end of the bag into the machine and click the lid into place. Then you can push the seal button, and in a few seconds it should create a seal for you. The seal that it creates is really strong and sturdy, and so that no food will pass through. As you can see right here, it creates a little line, and what I'm going to do next is go ahead and measure out the size of the bag that I would like and use the cutter on top to cut the remaining off that has the seal on the bottom. Now I've created my own custom size vacuum seal bag, and for this example I'm going ahead and put something dry and hard inside, so here is some packaged nuts. I'm going to make sure that I have the bag inside the machine and click the lid into place. You should hear a click on both sides, and then I press the vacuum seal button. Now as you can see, it sucked out all of the air and then auto sealed it for me, so I have this perfectly packaged thing of nuts with no air in it whatsoever, and it is very securely sealed on the top and bottom. There's another method that you can use with this vacuum sealer as well. It does come included with a vacuum sealer hose so that you can use it externally to take air out of little baggies or containers as well. You go ahead and plug it into the back of the vacuum sealer, and then there is a button on the front that says canister. You can press that and it will have the same vacuum effect through the hose. Now this vacuum sealer is fantastic because it is multifunctional. You can use it to make a simple seal or to vacuum out all of the air out of a bag, or use it externally with the vacuum air hose. Additionally, this vacuum sealer is great for dry foods and wet foods and soft foods too. In the first example, I showed you a dry food, which was the packaged nuts with the auto vacuum effect. Now for this one, I have some tomato sauce in a bag, which is a very wet food, and I'm going to take the air out of this one manually. You can vacuum seal with this machine automatically or manually. It's totally up to you. I made sure that I selected that it is a wet food, and now I'm going to press the manual button, and that will manually remove all of the air, vacuum sealing the bag. So there you have it. This vacuum sealer is a great way to save money and preserve fresh food. It has multiple settings so that you can preserve your food in the best way possible, and it also does feature a 1-year warranty.